Racing just is started. We have home run queen break weekly start. Moving up on the outside, Sangang Daan, Lady Kin in the middle portion. The next on that is Don Jaime, Class Aka, while Expedition is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Lady Kin, Sangang Daan in second. Home run queen is down on the inside third. Expedition comes next, or rather Don Jaime. Then next online down on the inside is Class Aka, while Expedition still racing in lesson as they swing. Down the back we have Lady Kin, Sangang Daan is on the outside second. Home run queen is down in third. Then next online is Don Jaime, Class X second last, while Expedition is still racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, Lady Kin, Sangang Daan, home run queen is down on the inside. Don Jaime, Class Act trying to get closer in fifth, while Expedition still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Sangang Daan now takes the lead. Home run queen is on the outside. Lady Kin, Class Act now in fourth, and as they swing for home, we have Sangang Daan. Home run queen is on the outside, about to throw the challenge. Last 100 meters, we have Sangang Daan, followed by home run queen on the outside. Sangang Daan, this time we're link and a half over home run queen, and finally Sangang Daan, home run queen, Class Act, Lady Kin, Don Jaime, Expedition.
Talagang ano?
New trend.
Araw talaga ng or gabi ng